Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to remove Threads badge from Instagram profile. Okay, first things first, open up your Instagram app. Head to your profile, then once you are here, press your Threads badge. When you press it, a selection will then appear. You can either view Threads profile or hide badge. What you want to do is to just hide the badge, and a confirmation shall appear. However, please make sure first before hiding your badge, because sometimes you cannot hide it due to some issues regarding Threads. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it! You can now remove Threads badge from Instagram profile. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!